Welcome to another video of Riz Trading channel, and in today's video we will learn the best scalping strategy, so pay attention and watch till the end because this strategy can change your trading style. But before everything, if you are new to this channel and want to learn the best trading methods and techniques, then please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Scalping is a trading method in which traders place a large number of trades in a day and try to make profits from small market moves by increasing their volume. The traders who implement this strategy are known as scalpers. We are using volume indicators in this strategy. Volume indicator is a mathematical formula that is visually represented in a small commonly used charting platforms. So now let's talk about the strategy. There are a lot of strategies to do scalping, but today I will teach you the best one. You can apply this strategy on every currency pair. We will use the volume indicator on a 5 or 15-minute time frame for this strategy. There are two ways to trade with this strategy. First one is trend trade. In this method, we try to predict the trend change and will try to do scalping in the predicted direction to avoid any wrong trades. And the second one is price action method. In this method, we place trades when the market reverses after touching any significant price action level, and we try to place trades in a reversal direction. If you want to learn more about price action, then please visit my channel. Now we need to apply a volume indicator on the chart with its default settings. Buy signal. When the market is in downtrend and suddenly the volume starts increasing, then it's a signal that the sellers have lost their power and the buyers are getting stronger. Now we use any one method as a validation according to the market behavior. If the market is trending, then we will draw trend lines on highs and lows of the market, and when market will break the upper line, we will place our buy. And if there is a non-trending market, then we will use price action method. We will draw significant support levels, and when the market is at a significant support zone and reverses after touching that level and volume starts increasing, then it's a buy signal and you can start placing buy trades and do scalping in that direction. Sell signal. When the market is in uptrend and suddenly the volume starts decreasing, then it's a signal that the buyers have lost their power and the sellers are getting stronger. Now we use one method as a validation according to the market behavior. If the market is trending, then we will draw trend lines on highs and lows of the market. When the market will break the lower line, we will start placing our sells, and if there is a non-trending market, we will use the price action method. We will draw significant resistance levels, and when the market is at a significant resistance zone and reverses after touching that level and volume starts decreasing, then it's a sell signal and you can start placing sell trades and do scalping in that direction. Keep in mind, it's not recommended to place take profits and stop losses in scalping. You need strong money management knowledge to do scalping. If you are interested in money management, then comment down below and I will make a video on this. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. And if you want to stay updated with the amazing trading content, then please subscribe and like the video. So till next time, take care.